Greetings everyone. In today's video, I will show you how to turn Instagram business account private. Before you get started, please subscribe to the channel. So this is a business account and you will notice that it has a promotion tab right top. So when you have a promotion tab, you know this has been turned into a business account. And if I go to settings and go down to privacy, I don't have the same option to turn a private. So there is really only one way right here to turn this account to private, and that's by making it personal account and then turning it private. You go to settings and then go to settings. Just go ahead and come down where to business settings and switch back to personal account. Go ahead and press that and then say yes, switch back, and then once you switch back your settings option will change. So I am going let this switch back to your second. It's going to take 5 to 10 seconds. I'm going to come down here now again. In the same page I should see account privacy. Under privacy and security, if I press that now, I could turn that same account into private account. So if I go here, now it's private. Basically I just turned the business account into personal account. And then again the three lines, the settings option, and then the account privacy. Turn to private. So it's one extra step to turn a private. I'm going to turn it back here into non-private. So this is the way how you can turn Instagram business account private. This is the video for today. Thanks for watching this.